Ready? Oh, wow. Oh, yes, I found a spot. This is the arrival.
This is the way to Chitlang.
Oh wow. So that's definitely new, no?
Yeah, it was only here before.
Ah, but it's not until the bottom.
Just there.
It's a small zip line. You want to do? Oh wow. Oh, is it a Shiva temple? Oh la la, this hotel is totally luxurious, huh? So there is Kathmandu here, right? And we are at 2,550 meters. So it's shortcut. Okay, wait, I'm so slow. Oh, we don't need that. It's like a masala popcorn. So the way is here, and at one point we arrive in Chitlang. Huh?
Yes.
There is no possibility to go last.
No.
Yeah, I know. With me, it's 3 hours for sure. And as usual, Babu is enjoying it. So we were in Chandragiri and now we are walking downhill to Chitlang. Finally arrived in Chitwan. It's not your first time. Huh? You went by motor?
Chili farm.
Chili?
Yeah.
Chili farm.
The big. Look, you can see.
Oh wow. Big chili? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Big red chili. Yes. All chili. Nice village. So we walk from the top down Chandragiri, down to Chitlang, and now we are going to the goat farm. Goat farm homestay, goat cheese. Oh, and there is a nice, very nice temple here. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. Huh? It's a Shiva temple, right?
I'm not sure.
Shiva.
Yeah. It's different than that.
Ah, it's totally different, huh? Very cool. Oh yeah, because you can go inside. Oh yeah, it's a Shiva temple. You can see the image inside. There's a Shiva linga inside. So we finally arrive at the goat cheese farm, goat cheese farm, factory and homestay. And we are going to stay over there for the night. And we have the chance to visit the factory tomorrow. So that's gonna be nice also. And we are going to try plum wine. Plum wine. So yes, very cool. We are a little in elevation so we can see the village. And this is the way up to the goat cheese farm. And we're gonna have goat cheese tasting and plum wine tasting.
This is very special strong cheese.
that he kept to give to the special people.
Oh wow.
Because what he told me is for strong cheese, they need to preserve for 6 months. After that, it will be the quality strong cheese. But here, because of the too much demand, they cannot preserve that long.
Okay.
So during the lockdown, he preserved and he didn't sell, and he's just keeping it for make them taste people, some
nice.
special people.
So basically here
This
there
is
is
the soft cheese.
soft one,
This is this
semi-hard
yeah.
and very
this,
hard.
This will take 1 week. This 2 months, and for this, how many are there? More than 6 months.
More than 6 months.
So I think you will find this very good.
Yeah, I bet. Yeah.
Smell
I'm
different.
interested. Smell is different. You want to try also?
No, me not.
Okay, let's try the very strong one.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
काठमाडौँमा हुने यो चिज चाहिँ फ्रेन्च एम्बेसीले कहिलेकाहीँ अर्गनाइज गर्छन् त्यसमा जाँदाखेरि त्यहाँबाट म त
मलाई नि फर्स्टमा बुवाले उता
एकदम मिठो
सिकेर आउनु भएको बेला उता लिएर आउनु भएको त मैले नि खान सकिनँ मैले देखेँ थिएँ अहिले
No, not this one, please.
You sure?
I'll taste this one. No problem.
It's my favorite. So now we are trying the soft one. This is the semi-hard one. So this is all for me?
Yeah, go.
This one is very good also. Both.
There's a butter just the name.
यसलाई त रोटी ब्रेडहरूसँग सट्टा
मिठो
लगाएर त्यसरी राम्रो हुन्छ
Oh, so you do the cream cheese with it? And the semi-hard.
So which one is best?
This one. It is more difficult to do so.
The wine made of plum.
But cheers all.
Cheers.
It's a very good wine, plum wine.
एकदम मिठो यो यहाँ हाम्रो भन्छ नि यो के भन्ने त्यो त मैले खाएको त त्यस्तो नि वाइन हुन्छ यो धेरै क्वालिटी बट आई फिल the wine, Nepali made wine, there are a lot of brand Nepali wine. I taste most of them are like 5-6 I taste, but this is the best one. You seem to make it.
Yes. Ekdam mito. Cheers.
Sweet, right? Semi-sweet.
And it goes well with this. Perfect.
जति राख्यो त्यति राम्रो रहेछ हाम्रो यो पोहोरको लकडाउनमा बनाउनु पाएन अगाडिको चाहिँ उसमा वर्षमा बनाएको थियौँ त्यो वाइन अब गेस्टहरू आउनु भएन सबै बन्द भयो
त्यो नेपाली यो वाइनहरु मलाई मन पर्यो
Good morning from Chitlang. So we had a nice barbecue last night and Krishna tried alcohol made from plum and I tried wine made from plum, and this morning it was plum jam, delicious. Now we are going to see the farm. We are going to see the farm. So this is the goat farm. So you are giving us amazing cheese. Oui, cheese. And you? Oh, look at that.
Look inside.
Yes.
Hello, good morning.
It's very cute.
They're so friendly.
So friendly, huh? Ah, fight! So they are all producing milk. Oh my god, they have a buffalo here. Cow, sorry.
Buffalo.
वाइन भन्दा केबाट खुसी भइरहेको छ यो चिसोमा हजुर हजुर हुन्छ हस्
That's so cute. It's First love, hein? Ah.
त्यसको लागि त गर्नै पर्यो लड्यो
You're getting dressed. Maybe you take off this, no? You look professional. Thank you. It reminds me memories. Okay.
लिएर आउँछौँ होइन हजुर यो चाहिँ यसमा चाहिँ फिल्टर यस्तै तिनवटा ट्रिपल फिल्टर हुन्छ यसरी फिल्टर गऱ्यो अनि दुधलाई चाहिँ यसरी ल्याएर चाहिँ फिल्टर गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ पहिला
यो चाहिँ काँची दुध है
हजुर
दोहोरो लगाएको दुध भयो
अब यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले यसमा खनाउँछौँ यसमा
चाहिँ किन नि
यो तताउनको लागि
ओके
अनि यसमा डाइरेक्ट अब बोइल गर्न मिल्दैन यसमा चाहिँ स्टिमबाट यसमा पहिला हामी पानी राख्छौँ पानी राखिसकेपछि
स्टिमबाट बोइल हुन्छ
स्टिमबाट डाइरेक्ट मिल्दैन डाइरेक्ट गऱ्यो भने यसको स्मेलहरू बस्ने कुराउनी आउने होइन त्यो खालको हुन्छ
स्टिममा गर्दाखेरि कुराउनी बस्दैन
उनीहरू बस्दैन
ओके
त्यसपछि दुध चाहिँ 85 डिग्री भइसकेपछि 90 डिग्री भइसकेपछि दुधलाई निकाल्नुपर्छ निकालेर फेरि चिसोउनु पर्ने हुन्छ
यही भाँडामा चिसोउनु हुन्छ
यो भाँडालाई अब निकाल्छौँ हामी यो भाँडामा दुध हुन्छ त्यसपछि यसलाई चाहिँ हाम्रो अब यहाँ चिसोउने उयोहरू नभएपछि हामीले त्यसमा चाहिँ चिसो पानी जम्मा गरेर हुन्छ अनि आइस ब्यागहरू ल्याएर राख्छौँ त्यसपछि हामीले यसमा डुबाइदिन्छौँ
एकदम चिसो पानी हुन्छ
यो चाहिँ चिसो पानी हुन्छ फ्रिजहरूबाट आइस ब्याग शुद्ध ल्याएर अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ हामी चाहिँ 24 डिग्री जतिमा चाहिँ रिनेट राख्छौँ त्यो राखेको चाहिँ
यसैमा राख्नु चाहन्छु
यसलाई गएर फेरि बकेटमा खनाउनुपर्छ हामीले
रिनेट हालेपछि
रिनेट हालेर अर्को बकेटा खनाउँछौँ बकेटा खनाइसकेपछि त्यो चाहिँ 24 घन्टामा एक ढिक्का भएर जमेको हुन्छ
रिनेट हालेपछि
यो हिजो हाल्यौँ अहिले चाहिँ मैले प्रोसेस भने यो चाहिँ 24 घन्टा भयो यसलाई चाहिँ डाडोले टक्क काट्छौँ काटिसकेपछि चाहिँ यसमा यो मोल्डमा पालहरू देखिरहनुमा चाहिँ मोल्ड भन्छ यसमा चाहिँ डाडो चट्टा यसमा काट्ने राख्ने यो फुल हुन्छ अनि यसलाई चाहिँ 5-6 घन्टापछि हामी फेरि फर्काउनु पर्ने हुन्छ
फेरि
अनि तलको माथिको तल गरेर साल्ट राखेर छोडिदिन्छौँ छोडिदिन्छौँ त्यसपछि अनि यसलाई चाहिँ भोलिपल्ट फेरि निकालेर यो नेटमा चाहिँ अनि राख्छौँ हामी अनि यसमा 2 दिन जति राखेपछि फेरि अनि यहाँबाट लगेर अनि फ्रिजमा राख्छौँ
यसमा 2 दिन जति राख्नुहुन्छ
2 दिन
यतिकै यसरी नै राख्नुहुन्छ
यो चाहिँ हार्ड चिज भयो भने सानो सफ्ट अर्को यस्तो गरी राखेर 2 दिनपछि उता फ्रिजमा लगाएर अर्को 2 दिन 3 दिन राख्यो त्यसपछि 1 विक हुन्छ 1 विकमा अब यो सब चिज खानालाई रेडी 24 डिग्री जतिमा राखेको थियौँ भने अब हार्ड चिजको लागि 32 डिग्री जतिमा राख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ
चिसो
हजुर 32 डिग्री जतिमै दुधको चाहिँ टेम्परेचर भएपछि हामीले रिनेट राखिदिन्छौँ त्यो चाहिँ 1 घन्टामै जम्छ सिएमएसले गरेर जम्छ अनि यसलाई चाहिँ नाइफले मसिनो गरेर काटिदिने त्यसलाई चलाउने अनि 1-2 घन्टामा लगभग 2-2.5 घन्टा जतिमा यो बिगौटी हुन्छ त्यसको टाइमै त्यति हो त्यसपछि अनि त्यसलाई चाहिँ निकालेर हामी यसको यो मोल्ड छ यसमा चाहिँ यसरी कपडा राख्यो होइन अनि यसमा चाहिँ त्यो ठोस वस्तु यसमा राखेर अनि यसले योले कभर गर्ने त्यसपछि 5 सर र राउन्ड गरेर गोल गरेर राख्ने बाल्टिङको कभरले त्यसमा राख्यो अनि बाल्टिङमा पानी राख्ने अनि प्रेसर दिएर छोड्ने यो चाहिँ रेडी हुनलाई 2 महिना लाग्छ
2 महिना है
यसलाई चाहिँ सब चिजलाई चाहिँ 1 हप्ता त्यस्तो
जस्तै कति 1 किलो चिज निस्कन चाहिँ कति जति दुध चाहिन्छ नि
यो हार्ड चिजलाई र सफ्ट चिजलाई फरक छ हार्ड चिजलाई चाहिँ 8-9 लिटर जस्तो लाग्छ
8-9 लिटर 1 किलोको लागि
सफ्ट चिजको लागि 4-5 लिटर जस्तो लाग्छ त्यही भएर हार्ड चिज महँगो छ सफ्ट चिज प्रोसेस पनि बढी छ
लामो प्रोसेस भयो है ओके थ्याङ्क
यू सो मच थ्याङ्क यू चिली रातो चिली and so many chili. Very good. place for a weekend getaway. Definitely. And if you like cheese, it's perfect place to stay. And if you like plum, it's also a perfect place. Very good view today. So we are alone in Chandragiri Cable car because we are coming back now next day, Sunday, and we are alone. So mask off, I'm not sure. Yeah, they have aeration. And now, ta-da-da!
Wow, क्या खतरा दियो अहिले चाहिँ.
Huh?
Khatra is so danger.
Yeah. So going down is also quite good. And we see Himal, the Himalayas, and
यो जङ्गल चाहिँ हाम्रो घर जस्तै लाग्यो.
yeah, we were so many people when we came because it was Saturday and today is Sunday and we are coming back. Wow, cool. Nice view, nice privacy. We are alone, so it was a nice weekend. And Chandragiri, yeah, so 700 Nepali rupee the way and back, so 2 ways. For foreigner, I don't 22 USD.
Oh, we are above the plane.
We are above, no.
Yeah.
Are we? It is a huge valley. It's quite nice. Look, they're so packed in this one. Nice, and it's a long ride, about 9 to 10 minutes. Chandragiri, it's good to do it at least once. There is many activities above. Yeah, it's a nice. If you go and the weather is clear, definitely it's worth it. But there is also a playground and restaurants and zip line now. And I think they are doing other activities. There is a resort, there is a infinity pool, and I think there is a temple. How can I forget? So yeah, worth it. Picnic spot. So yeah, it's a good day out. Chitlang is the hike down to Chitlang is not easy.
You can see the road access. Look there. The road access from Kathmandu to Chitlang.
Voilà. So that's why we didn't. We took the cable car and we hiked down, and I had the wrong shoes, very bad shoes. It seems like a good shoes, but trust me, it's bad shoes. It's not supposed to be that. Look how beautiful this hill. Yeah, immaculate.